Made it to the trailhead. About 10:30 in the morning. It's a pretty long drive up here and some bumpy roads. 10 a.m. We're all checked in, ready to start the hike. The trail is looking gorgeous. A little bit of snow still on the ground. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm taking the bridge like a regular person. About 2 miles in, stopping for a quick snack and water fill up. We're at the trail junction, now heading up the steep part, up to the first summit of the day. Well, we're walking along a pleasant trail for a while. All of a sudden it's steep and snowy. Johnny's running anyway. Snow is definitely getting deeper. It's getting quite steep as we get closer to the summit. The hills are getting really steep and slidey, probably getting steeper. So we're putting our microspikes on, should help with traction. Microspikes equipped, the traction is unbelievable. The top of this trail is freaking insane. Making really slow progress, but it's a lot of fun. This is an ice floe, still about a foot thick of ice, slowly melting. So this is gorgeous. There's a cave full of feet thick of ice in there. I think we reached the summit, top of this boulder. There isn't much of a lookout from here, but there's a nice viewpoint. In a few minutes, we'll go stop and have some lunch. Worked up an appetite after that climb. 3964 feet. Oh, that's the video. First peak of the day. Finished up lunch at the lookout. Now we're headed over to the next summit. We're eating snow. Cools you down really good. Just sprinted about a half mile on this somewhat flat ground. Now we're descending into the valley before we ascend that big peak over there. I think it's called Windham-Blackhead. I keep mixing them up. Point 6, we're headed up.
In a grueling ascent, Weissman is telling us an interesting fact about black bears. They claw at the trees to mark their territory. Second summit of the day, Blackdale Mountain.
4,007 feet. Making our way over to the last peak, and then we're gonna head back the way we came. Headed to the highest point. It's just a little area in the forest, and now we're headed back to the trailhead. Tea is steeping. Tuna and olive oil, bubbling hard. Had a great meal, and now we're heading down, getting our spikes on for the descent. It's about 1,700 feet and 3 miles straight back to the car. Delicious. Moss filters the water and makes it taste really good. So good. Little splash, little splash. Came down most of the elevation, got about 0.7 of a mile on back to the car. Gorgeous, nice flat walk to the forest to end off the day. We are dunking in the river. I repeat, we're dunking in the river. Definitely the coldest water we've ever been in. The boys are hyped.
I don't know if I'm able to do this one.
I eat you for breakfast. We're about to dunk in this freezing creek. It's all snow melt. Let you know how it goes. Anything? That's all of it. Oh! Yeah! You didn't get full body. 3, 2, 1, go! Get back in. Yo, the water's freezing. Oh, just dunked in the water. Running back to the car. I don't know what my core temperature is, but it's not good. We're going back. Back to the trailhead. We signed out. Crazy runner's high. Just ran the last half mile back. All the natural brain drugs through the roof. Had a freaking awesome day. Last one to leave the parking lot. We definitely had the most fun. Made some oatmeal in the camp stove for the drive home. It's been real. What are those?